Good morning, dear students. I'm your social teacher of Class 4. In previous video, we learned Lesson 6, the coastal plains and the islands. We learned more about coastal plains in the Part 1 video. Now, we can have a small recall. India has a long coastline of about 6,000 kilometers. The western coastal plain consists of the Gujarat, the Konkan and the Malabar coast. The northern part of the western coastal plain is called Gujarat coast. The middle part is Konkan coast and the southern part is called Malabar coast. India is surrounded by water on three sides. In eastern side, Bay of Bengal, in western side, Arabian Sea, and down Indian Ocean is there. So, we can divide this Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean into two parts. One is eastern coastal plain, which is in the eastern side, and the western coastal plain, that is in the western side. Both the coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari. Students, we already discussed about the western coastal plain. Now we can move to eastern coastal plain. This eastern coastal plain consists of northern circus and the Coromandel coast. This eastern coastal plain is divided into two parts, that is the northern circus and the Coromandel coast. The northern part of the eastern coastal plain is called the northern circus and the southern part, which is down of northern circus, is called the Coromandel coast. This area have very fertile alluvial soil and is used for agriculture. Fishing is the major occupation of the people on the west coast and they export fish to other countries. Students, up to this we learnt in the previous class. Now we can move to new topic, that is island. I-S-L-A-N-D-S. You have to pronounce island. S is silent. You should not pronounce island. Okay, students. Now tell me, what do you mean by islands? An island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all sides. We have two islands in India. Tell me, what are they? The Andaman and Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshydeep Island in the Arabian Sea. What is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar Island? Port Blair. And Lakshadip Island? Kavaratti is the capital. Students, these islands have been divided into two groups. The first part is, that is in the northern group, is called Andaman Island. And the southern part, which means southern group, is called Nicobar Island. These Andaman and Nicobar Island is separated by 10-degree channel. It has the width of 150 kilometers. This Andaman and Nicobar Islands include over 500 islands that covers an area of more than 8,000 square kilometers. In this, 500 lands will be there. These lands are covered by water on all four sides. That is called island, isn't it? So, these islands are covered with dense forest. Only a few of these islands are inhabited by peoples, which means some islands are used by the people and the rest of the islands are dense forest. The people can't able to use. So, the tribals will occupy that place. What do you mean by tribals? We will say in Tamil, Palankudiyinar. Clear or not? This island is the topmost parts of the submerged mountain range. The barren island, India's only active volcano, is located in East Andaman. What do you mean by volcano? It is like a hill and the center hole will be there. From that, the lava will emit. isn't it? It's called a volcano. So, in this barren island, the active volcano is there. That is in the East Andaman. Clear? The southernmost point of the Andaman and Nicobar Island is called the Indira Point. Due to the tsunami in 2004, Indira Point is partially submerged. The people will do agriculture in a small scale. Farming and fishing are two major occupations in this area. Here, cellular jail is there in Port Blair. What do you mean by jail? Why they selected this place? Tell me. Any guess? So, this four side covered by water. During the British period, the prisoners were sent to the cellular jail here. It is called Kalapani. Why they selected this island means this island is covered by water on four sides. The people can't escape from this cellular jail, isn't it? So they selected this place. The climate of this island is pleasant. During the monsoon, rainfall is very heavy. Andaman and Nicobar Island are places of tourist interest. We all know Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar. It is a union territory. People from many parts of India have settled here. The cellular jail is now turned into national monuments in honor of many freedom fighters. The tribals here speak many languages, but Hindi is the most common language. Rice, coconut, rubber, spices and fruits and vegetables are cultivated here. Now we can move to Lakshadeep Islands. This Lakshadeep Islands is the smallest union territory of our country with its capital as Kavaratti. It is a group of over 30 islands in the Arabian Sea and it covers an area of 32 square kilometers. These islands are close to the Malabar coast. The Lakshadeep Islands are small and flat. About 10 of these islands are inhabited by peoples. Rest of these are habited by tribals. Most of the people will do agriculture and fishing for their living. Kavaratti is the capital of this union territory. Many tourists visit Lakshadeep because of its coral deposits. What do you mean by coral? A hard substance formed from the bones of a small sea creatures in the bottom of the sea is called coral. Can you understand now? Coconut is the main crop cultivated here. Rice, bananas and vegetables are also grown in these islands. Another strong industry in these islands is tourism. Tourists flock to Lakshadeep to enjoy its sun-drenched beaches and the beauty of the lagoons. Students, that's all about this Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadeep Island. Now we can have a quick recall. Both these islands are union territories. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are in the Bay of Bengal. We can divide this island into two parts. The northern group called the Andaman and the southern group called the Nicobar Islands. These two islands are separated by 10-degree channel. These islands include over 500 islands. These islands are covered with a dense forest. Only a few of these islands are inhabited by peoples, and most of the islands are inhabited by tribals. Barren Island, India's only active volcano, is located in East Andaman. The southernmost tip of India is Indra Point. Fishing and farming is the main occupation in this area. Cellular jail is in Port Blair. For the memory of freedom fighters, this jail is used as monuments. Then we can move to Lakshadeep Island. This Lakshadeep Island is an union territory and its capital is Kavaratti. It is a group of over 30 islands in the Arabian Sea. Only a few islands are inhabited by peoples. Rest of these islands are inhabited by tribals, as it is like Andaman and Nicobar. This island group is composed of coral deposits. Students, I already taught you about the coral, a hard substance formed from the bones of a small sea creatures in the bottom of the sea is called coral. Fishing and farming is the main occupation in this region. We can see the climate. The climate here is warm. It rains heavily during the rainy season. In winter, the days are warm while the nights are pleasant. This area is very cool because it is surrounded by water on all four sides. Students, that's all about this lesson. We will see the new lesson in the next video. Thank you children. Have a good day. Be safe.